The movie has been shot in about 12 countries now, and we've traveled through, I guess, about 40 countries in getting there. Gosh, I don't even know where to start. It's just, I think one thing that's so fascinating is that there are over 350 cultures that have a story of a great flood. And what's amazing about that fact is that over 80% of them have commonalities of an ark, of a worldwide flood, of animals in a boat, of 8 people on that ark. And if this was a local flood event, according to some skeptics out there, they theorize it was the Black Sea that flooded. If that's what took place, then why would we have all these commonalities in different cultures around the world?